Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 8486, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot on your laptop, you can either use a combination of Windows Shift and S buttons, or alternatively you can click print screen button on your keyboard, and this will trigger the bar at the top of your screen. Make sure that you have the snip option selected here, and then by expanding this list you can select one of the 4 available screenshot modes. The rectangular screenshot lets you select an area of your screen that you want to take a screenshot of, and once you do that, the screenshot is automatically taken. And if you click this notification right here, you can see the screenshot that you made. You can use these quick tools to edit your screenshot. You can also edit it in Paint if you select this option. And to save the new version of the screenshot, click Save As and then select the directory for your new screenshot. But generally speaking, once you take the screenshot, it's automatically saved in your file explorer. So if you go into it and then select Pictures folder, then go to Screenshots, and if you had any previously taken screenshots, then sort this folder by date, and the last taken screenshot is the screenshot that we just took. Now the second screenshot mode is the windowed screenshot, and to take a screenshot of your window you just have to click on it, and it will look, well, somewhat like this, depending on what your window looks like at the moment. And the third method of the screenshot is the full screen screenshot, and if you click full screen, the screenshot will be taken immediately, and it's just a screenshot of your entire display. So the last option you can use is a freeform screenshot, and it's somewhat similar to rectangular screenshot, except for you can draw any shape on your screen, and once you draw that shape, just stop drawing and the screenshot will look somewhat like this, depending on the shape that you drew on your screen. And so that's basically how you take screenshots on this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.